If you're using Gravity Forms to create a checkout form to sell products or services on your website, and you're looking for the ability to add an additional add-on service or product in the form of a checkbox, today I'm going to show you how we can quickly and easily achieve this with Gravity Forms out of the box with no code. All right, so when we look at my demo page here, I've got a form already set up with some dummy fields, name, email, phone, and then I inserted a product example as selling a website management plan for a year. This is priced at $1,200. Now, say I wanted to offer hosting in addition to my management plan. Well, I want to be able to create that as an optional add-on to my product, but I don't want to create another product field and make them insert a quantity. It just kind of is a clunky, weird way to handle the additional product. And so what I'm going to do instead is I want to just create a box that says interested in hosting. Yes, sign me up for an additional $100. Well, currently out of the box with it, I have the checkbox and I have the product for hosting priced at $100, but automatically it's already adding that $100 add-on regardless if I check this checkbox. So I'm going to show you how we can set this up so that it hides the hosting product and adds to the total only when the user clicks the checkbox on the form. All right, so we're going to jump into editing the form in Gravity Forms. And there's a couple steps we need to take here. First, I'll show you. So this first one is just a product field. And I've set it up as a single product priced at $1,200, and I want to disable the quantity field. Next, I have the additional product field set up for hosting. Again, a single product, no quantity field, priced at $100. And so when you create the checkbox, we're going to add a checkbox field, say interested in adding hosting or whatever you might want to add, and edit your choices. This says, yes, sign me up for an additional $100. And what we need to do is come down to our hosting product field, and under appearance, we're going to use the CSS class for Gravity Forms called GF_invisible. What this is going to achieve is it's going to hide this product from the front end of the field so that the user does not see it. And what we want to then additionally do is create some conditional logic so that this field is only added to the total once this checkbox is checked. So we're going to enable conditional logic on our hosting product and say interested in adding hosting, show all if interested in adding hosting is yes. So now we'll go ahead and save our form. And if we come back to our page, refresh, you're going to see right out of the box our $1,200 management plan total is still $1,200, and I no longer see that hosting product. So if I go ahead and check the box, yes, sign me up for an additional $100, now you'll see my total updated as I click that box. So it's a really easy way to add an upsell to your checkout form. You can even add multiple products. So if we come in and edit this one, and edit our choices, we could say we could say interested in any add-ons, and we could say SEO $500. We can say hosting $100. We could say Google My Business $250, right? Okay, so now we're giving the customer 3 different options to select an upsell. Now we need to then go over to our hosting product, update our conditional logic to say show this if interested in is hosting. Now we'll go ahead and duplicate this one, change this to SEO, because we need to create individual products per offer here, and we'll put this in as $500. Update the conditional logic to show this field if it's SEO is selected. Now we'll do that once more. This time choosing Google My Business for $250 and the conditional logic to Google My Business. So now we saved our form, come back to the front end, and we can now see our multiple add-ons here. And you'll notice, so watch the total, $1,200, check SEO, boom, $1,700. If we want hosting, $1,800. Google My Business, $2,050. You only want SEO and Google My Business, they can do that as well. So it's really just a easier solution within Gravity Forms to create add-ons and upsells that make it so much easier for the user on the front end. It's very clean and easy to follow. Always be sure to put in your totals here, because since they do not see that product individually, they need to know what that add-on cost is. So there's that quick and easy approach for adding upsells to your Gravity Forms checkout form. Once I figured this out, it kind of unlocked how easy it really is and the ability to add some upsells to my future forms. Hope it was helpful, and I appreciate your support.